so you're a huge fan. All right, we're seeing some fog and some low clouds in parts of the Sacramento Mountains and southeastern New Mexico. That's reducing visibility, so some areas of dense fog likely as you head out the door first thing on your Sunday morning. So use those low beam headlights if you do find yourself in some dense fog. Otherwise, grab that jacket because temperatures on the cool side in the middle 50s in Santa Fe, 51 in Los Alamos, 53 in Gallup. We're at 60 degrees in the metro. Fortunately, we're not dealing with those strong gusty winds out of the east like last night on your Saturday night, but still cool enough for that jacket as you head out the door. Winds coming down now just out of the north at 6 miles per hour. Satellite and radar showing that we still have clouds around the Sacramento Mountains, the Gila as well, and even some showers and pockets of heavy rain in parts of Eddy County and Lee County. The flash flood watches that we had posted during the overnight hours came down. They were canceled, but still some pockets of heavy rain likely this afternoon, and we could see some areas of isolated flooding for today. A wider view of what's going on, well, around the Four Corners, we're seeing a lot of clear skies around Farmington down to Gallup, so there's a slight chance for a few storms around the Four Corners into the metro, but most of the action will be in far western New Mexico and also in the southeast corner of the state as we head into the afternoon hours. It doesn't look like until Monday or Tuesday that we'll see a better shot for storms here in Albuquerque and for much of central New Mexico as we're watching Hurricane Norbert, which is beginning to lose some of its strength down to a minimal Category 1 hurricane with sustained winds at 75 miles per hour. As we head into your Monday afternoon into Tuesday, we'll watch some of the moisture from this tropical system move into parts of Arizona and eventually New Mexico, bringing a shot for rain here in central and western New Mexico. So for today, the best shot will be in the southern portion of the state. We could have some pockets of heavy rain, so flash flooding could be a concern as we head into the afternoon hours. Now for tomorrow into Tuesday, that's when the remnants of Hurricane Norbert could impact us here in central and western New Mexico, bringing us a better shot for storms here in the central portion of the state. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll start to dry things out, and we'll see basically the storms confined to the higher terrain of New Mexico by the middle of the week. Into Durango, Pagosa Springs, and Cortez for today. Temperatures climbing into the middle to upper 70s, lower 80s, and then a chance for some storms on Monday and Tuesday. Over to the Four Corners, we'll be in the middle 80s in Farmington, 80 degrees in Gallup, 78 in Grants. A slight chance for a few showers today, but I think a better shot for rain here around the Four Corners will be on Monday and Tuesday with highs into the upper 70s and lower 80s for the first half of the week in Farmington. Into the southwest, temperatures into the upper 70s in Deming, TRC, and Las Cruces. So the clouds and the moisture that we have in place will keep those temperatures down. Again, we could have some pockets of heavy rain here in the southwest corner, so that could trigger some flooding concerns later on today. Into the southeast, Roswell and Carlsbad, we already have some showers moving through parts of Eddy and Lee County, more likely on the way for today. Then take a look at your temperature trend over the next few days. Monday, you'll be in the upper 80s. How about the middle 90s on Tuesday? Then we'll watch another cold front move into eastern New Mexico. That will drop your temperatures back into lower 70s by Friday. Into the northeast, temperatures into the 80s and the 70s, so a little bit warmer for today with a chance for some showers. And then over to the northern mountains, we could see some afternoon and evening storms dumping some heavy rain, kind of like last night around Taos. And then into the east mountains, temperatures into the middle to upper 70s in Cedar Crest and Edgewood. And in the metro, we'll top out in the upper 70s, lower 80s. Some clouds mixing in with that sunshine, but it looks like our best shot for rain, if we're going to see any, will be tomorrow and Tuesday, and then our temperatures coming back down a little bit cooler by the end of the week, back into the upper 70s.